Assalamualaikum dear students, and welcome to the ESL Academy of Linguistics and Literature. Students, now we have started MA English Part 1st and Part 2nd, Punjab University, University of Sargodha, GC University of Faisalabad, Karachi University, and of course PGU online coaching classes. So whoever wants to join, he or she can contact with us. Our online sessions will be based on availing you with the weekly test, monthly reports, line-to-line translations of the text, audios and videos. Lectures can be provided if you miss the class. You will be helped through our blogs, pages, groups and channel. Monthly charges will be applied. 5 days in a week class, Saturday and Sunday test. Learn linguistics and literature with British Council certified trainer. Students will be helped in creative writing and spoken language. So hurry up dear students and feel free to contact with your own the director of the ESL Academy, Sarvana. Contact number 0305 619464. Thank you so much.